Hello investors and traders, today we'll speak about Intel stock, checking technical and fundamental analysis. And let's start with the chart. Let's check since 2095. We can see that in my mind here it was from Elliott wave point of view, Elliott waves theory, it was the first wave, and then small correction was the second, then the third one, and now in my mind we are in a correctional wave 4. Here in my mind most probably going to have ABC move. Here it was the wave A, then B, and now it's as I see going to be the final sub wave. It will be C, but this target, the final target of this move, it can be here at about 14 15. So in my mind there is another potential of down move about 40%. So regarding the technical point of view, as I see, it can be something like this, but of course and then we might see the fifth wave, and the fifth wave will be higher than the 70. So but it's I don't think it won't be in the near term, most probably in a few years from now. And now let's check it fundamental parameters. We can see the total score is 84, quite high. The financial stability also very impressive. Debt to EBITDA ratio only 1, very high interest coverage 25. The ultimate score is quite safe, so the probability of default in the in the future years it's not high. So very nice financial position. Also the marginality now it's fine, gross margin about 50%, now net margin 26, very impressive marginality. But the grow we can see that here is a problem, because the revenue, net income, EBITDA is growing but not so fast, and the future negative forecast for the revenue is negative, less than 2%. So in this case the analyst expecting that the revenue of this company won't grow in the future years. PE ratio, the value of PE only 6 and PS 1 and 4, so very cheap stock in my mind. Less than 2, it's very, for such marginality, it's very cheap. And also now this company Intel can offer nice dividend. We can see that current dividend yield is more than 5%. It's even higher than the treasury 10-year US. Now it's about 4. So nice dividend, and also the payout ratio only 30%. So the company even has a nice probability to increase its dividend in the dividend payments in the future years. Also any problems with the liquidity, current ratio, quick ratio is above 1, so it's very nice, very cool. I can remind you that the current ratio is current assets divided by the current liabilities. So in the near term, any problems with the debt, any problems with liabilities at Intel company at all. And let's check here the PS ratio. We can see that the PS ratio 145, it's not high at all for the last 20 years. It's the lowest levels now. We can see sometimes it was 6, 3, 4, but now it's only 1, it's less than 2. So in my mind it's the lowest and the best levels in standpoint of PE ratio to buy the stock. You're receiving, of course, a nice dividend yield, nice marginality, cheap values. But of course I expecting this stock that it can be a little bit lower, but if you're a dividend investor, dividend stock picker, of course it can be best buy for you. And the performance last 3 months, more than 30%, and the year to date is about 50% down. So now maybe Intel, it can be very nice points to buy. Also their side, the momentum, it's let me check. Yeah, its weekly chart is oversold, less than 30. So also from this point of view, it's not a bad point to buy this stock. So if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next time. Bye.